Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Antonina's Kitchen for sending us. Actually, these products are called Churreria Antoninas or Churreria La Antonina. If you know this, guys, these are churros. So there was a time when these delicacies were really hype. And as a matter of fact, meron pa rin talaga mga naghahanap and nag-crave ng mga ganito. What's good about these products are you can take them home, you can take them anywhere as long as you have a place where you can cook them. So ang mga products pong ito are ready to cook. And in addition to that, what made me really happy about these products are you can actually play around with them. You know, you can be as creative as you can. And yeah, right now they have 5 flavors. Let me open po yung isang example just for you to know kung ano yung nasa loob natin. So, let me open this. And inside yung container natin, of course, yung pinaka-base are the churros. Yan. And then, you have 1 pack for the cinnamon. So, syempre, hindi mawawala yung cinnamon dyan. And then, you have 2 packs for the dip or the sauce. Yan. So, let me just show it to you. Yan. So, you have 2 packs, and this is the churros. So the churros, yung container natin has 15 pieces of dough churros. Now for the flavors, you're gonna have a staple. This is a premium chocolate. You're gonna have a staple dip, which is yung premium chocolate. And then, you're gonna have 5 variations. So, the first one is the salted caramel, Dulce de Leche. Next is one of my favorite. It's cookies and cream. And then, meron din silang cookie butter. Lastly, the dark chocolate. So, you get a premium chocolate plus dark chocolate. That's a double, premium quality chocolate dip. So, another product na included na pinadala nila is yung kanilang tablea. So, it is packed in this black and elegant package. Inside it, you have parang 6 tableas, ayan. So each one can serve 2 to 3 cups. Ayan, so depende sa preference nyo. You can consume it as is, or yung sa ginawa ko naman, it has chocolate, a little bit of sugar, and salt para magpantay-pantay yung lasa niya. Ooh, whoa, that's a great warm cocoa drink partnered with this churro. So, let me see. So, this is their cookies and cream. Tikman natin to, guys. Oh, wow. As soon as you receive them, as much as possible, keep them frozen. Now, in terms of cooking them, actually very simple. So meron tayong cooking instruction dito. Just follow that. Depende sa preference mo. You want it light brown, you want it golden brown, you want it a pale brown. So depende sa preference mo. Wow. This is the cookie butter. Ayan. You have it ready to dip. Look at that. Wow! Wow! So yung mga cookie dough natin are dairy free. Okay, this one is almond choco. Oh yeah, almond choco. Wow! Now, this one, lastly, is the salted caramel. Wow! You know what, guys? Whenever I go to a coffee shop, most of the time, like 80 to 90% of the time, I'm gonna go for a caramel-based coffee. Alright, so I guess this is part of the video where I, tell you which from the dip became my favorite. It is a tight competition. Very close, very close. But then again, isa talaga na stood out. This one is the Dulce de Leche, guys. You gotta taste this one. This dip in a can. So they are separately sold. If you are interested to, get this one, apply it to your bread, anything else you wanna, apply it on or spread it on. these are sold separately. Alright, so there you have it guys. I hope you like this video. Kung nag-crave po kayo dun sa mga pinakita naming mga churros and the dips, as well as the, the cocoa drink natin, please make sure to like this video or share it with your friends. And make sure to check out the fan page that we're gonna be flashing on your screens if you're interested to buy, guys. Alright, thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Stay safe and stay at home. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Bye!